Hello, today I'm going to show you how to cloth diaper your baby when the store is out of diapers. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook where you can eat better, spend less. Yes, we have all those things that you can make at home like biscuits and muffins and homemade bread, all right here in our Dining on a Dime cookbook. You can get it at livingonadime.com. If you love our videos, please subscribe and give us a great big thumbs up. Okay, so saw a video yesterday about a woman breaking down into tears because she couldn't find diapers at the grocery store for her baby. Now, I'm really sorry that that is happening, but this is no reason to panic and no reason to have a complete breakdown. There's a simple way to diaper your babies when you cannot find diapers at the store. Okay, so you're going to take your towel. This is a great big dish towel. You're going to fold it in a triangle. All right? Then you're going to set your baby on here. If you have a boy, you're going to fold over the front and go right between the legs there. This will help with extra moisture from little boys. I have 3, so I know. Then you take the other part of the towel, doesn't need to be that high up, about just above the baby's buns, and then you're going to fold this over like so on the extra large towels. Just tuck it under. Fold this over. Just tuck it under. Then you're going to take a safety pin and you're just going to pin it like that. If you're worried about stabbing your baby, stick your hand in between the diaper and their skin, and then you can feel where the pin is going. I cloth diapered 2 of my 4 kids exclusively, never stuck them once. Just put your fingers in there and it won't hurt anything. Then you're going to say, but what am I supposed to do when this gets all wet? Okay, so there's several alternatives you can do if you cannot find cloth diaper covers. You could take a shower cap, cut 2 holes right here for their feet, slide it over. It's even got an elastic. That's my mom's idea. Great tip there. Rinse and reuse these over and over until they disintegrate. Then over the plastic, you're just going to slide their little pants, okay? The next one is, this is sheeting from a drop cloth for painting, just a roll of plastic painter's sheeting, and I just cut it up to put around them. You could do the same with a vinyl tablecloth. You could do the same with a shower curtain. Any of those things would work. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take the plastic cover and you're going to do just like the diaper. Get it in between their legs here, cover it all up. This one I probably should have cut a little bit bigger. Then you can either, if you have a lot of duct tape, you can either duct tape it closed. If you don't have duct tape, you can just slide their pants on, and that will keep the moisture from coming through, okay? Now, what do you do for poopy diapers? All right, here we go. So, when you're putting the diaper on, if you have enough, take a paper towel about this big, stick it in the center, right over their little baby bum, and then you're going to put it on just like so. Then when you open it up and you have a little treasure, you can just take this and throw it in the trash. What if you don't have any paper products left that you could use as a diaper liner? Then what you're going to do is, let's say you open it up and there's a little treasure on the diaper. Okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the diaper like this. Then you're going to take your little treasure. You're going to turn the diaper inside out. Usually they're not slimy like this. That's my peanut butter and cocoa. Pretty realistic, huh? Then you're gonna fling it in there. Now, if it doesn't fling, then dip your diaper just in there and rinse, rinse, rinse away. Okay? You get as much as you can off. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold the ends back on itself. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep a bucket of water if you want. It doesn't have to be water. You can just put these in dry if you want. But put a bucket, put the diaper in the bucket to let it soak. This is just a spice bottle with some baking soda in it. Sprinkle just a little bit of that on top to help with the fragrance. Then just leave the lid on it for 2 or 3 days, or however often you need to wash. Then throw it in the washing machine with a little bit of bleach. You can add a little bit of vinegar for the rinse cycle, and that helps with the fragrance. Sanitize cycle, if you don't have bleach, but you have a washer that does a sanitize cycle, will work just fine instead. It gets hot enough that it will sanitize the diaper. And then in the dryer, the heat from the dryer is also strong enough. And that's all there is to it. You can buy these dish towels. They're called Floursack Dishtowels at any grocery store or Walmart, online, any of those types of places. You can also use an old t-shirt, or you can use a bath towel that you can cut up. Anything that will absorb moisture you can use for a diaper. To wipe their cute little tushies, you don't need to wipe if they're just wet. But if they're poopy, if you have paper towels, you can get the majority of the chunks off with a paper towel if there's still some on there. But what I do is, if there's a little chunks in there, I will take the front of the diaper and wipe their little buns and just put all of that in there, and then take a wet washcloth and just clean the rest off. Then just throw your wash rags in with your diapers and you're good to go. Please check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook at livingonadime.com, where you can save on your first trip to the grocery store.